Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have seen two averages property. The first one was if you have given a number of elements and in that we have given a missing element and also we have given a total average. Then there is an average property which says that addition of differences, that means I will show you by sharing my screen. Okay, so here it is. There are four given numbers. In that one number is missing and we have been given a total average. Now what we will do, we will find the differences between the total average and each element. How much it is far from the total average. Okay. And its addition will be always zero. Okay. So in this our case, we have given only three elements value and its addition is now plus 12. Okay, so now the x value will be something such that the difference between that total average 87 is minus 12. So now total average, sorry, the x value will be 87 minus 12, which is 75. Also we have seen if we have given consecutive numbers, that means with a constant difference we have given a numbers, then its average will be its middle element. See that its property, if you can read it, that we have also solved four problem with this technique. Also in the last video I have discussed this problem. Hope you have solved this, but people who haven't solved this problem, now I will solve from them. See that people, in exam there are two types of people. First one is मतलब वो क्वेश्चन 3 से 4 बार पढ़ते ही रह जाएंगे, और दूसरा टाइप का पर्सन जो है वो डाटा कलेक्ट करते रहेगा. अभी फर्स्ट लाइन क्या है, एवरेज मार्क्स ऑफ क्लास ऑफ 20 स्टूडेंट इज 40. ओके, पीपल टेल मी नाउ, अगर मुझे गिवन है कि देर आर 10 पीपल्स, so 10 people and their average age is 20. Okay, now tell me sum of all the ages of that 10 people. That means sum of 10 number of people and their average is 20. What we will do, this dividing element we will move to the right side. Now it will become multiplication, and now the sum of 10 will be 200. Okay, that means their total age is now 200. Similarly, if you want to find the, like say, sum of 10 people weight, okay, and their average weight is 50. Now the total weight will be 15 into 10, 500 kg. Okay, so this is in the kg, correct? Now tell me guys, similarly, average marks of a class of a 20 students is 40. Now tell me the total mark of the 20 students. If the 40 is average, so it will be 20 into 40, 800. So the total marks of a 20 students is 800. Now consider, now it is said that it was later found that two students score 48 and 40 instead of scoring 23 and 25. now इधर क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अगर समझो मैं टीचर हूं और मैं एक्सेल शीट में अपना डाटा भर रहा हूं कि स्टूडेंट्स के मार्कशीट का, गलती से दो स्टूडेंट का डाटा मैंने 48 और 40 डाल दिया। ओके, बाद में मुझे पता चला वो दो बच्चों को 48 और 40 नाम मिलके जस्ट 23 और 25 मिला है। करेक्ट, दैट मीन्स मैंने कितना ज्यादा मार्क्स डाला है उसमें 88, और अभी मुझे कितना मार्क्स ऐड करना है 23 प्लस 25, correct, 48. Now that means I have added how much extra? Earlier I have added 88, but now I wanted to add 48, correct, in the total value. Like consider your father has given, like you have asked your father to give 50 rupees, but instead of that your father has given 100 rupees. Now tell me how much extra you have got? 50. Now similarly, it was required to add this 48, but we have added 88. That means 40 marks we have added extra, correct? So first what we will do, that means we have to minus this 800 minus what we say 40 marks extra, correct? Now 760 is the total score of, now that is the correct value, the total score of class. But in the question it is said that find the right average. Find the right average, correct? Now to find the right average we have to divide it by 20 students, correct? So 760 okay, 760 divided by 20 is how much? Let's say if we divide it by 70 it will be 35, sorry, so it will be 38. Okay, so this is our answer, 38. But students, we don't want to do all these things as I have promised you कि ऐसे 5 सेकंड के अंदर आंसर अपने को ढूंढने को आएगा, करेक्ट, विदाउट टचिंग पेन। ये मेरा प्रॉमिस है आपसे। सो कैसे करेंगे? बराबर, तो बहुत सिंपल है, वेरी इजी। कितना मार्क्स पहले था, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा डाला हुआ है 48 and 40, that means 88, correct? Now how much extra marks we have? 40. Okay, we wanted to remove that. Instead of doing this minus and then again adding this plus, what we will do, just remove this 40, sorry, there's a score of 40 and distribute it over 20 students. That means this is we want to remove. Okay, 40 marks extra मिला है, अपने को निकालना पड़ेगा, बराबर? कितने स्टूडेंट से? 20 स्टूडेंट से, करेक्ट? This was a total, actually this is not the average constitute, this is the, मतलब जो स्कोर किया है उसमें से है, जो अपना 800 है ना उसमें से, that's why we are dividing it by number of people, number of students, so it will be 2, correct? Now this is minus 2, we have to minus it because we have got this extra. Now earlier average was 40, and now if you remove this 2 it will become 38. Correct? This was easy, correct? Now, students, we have solved this. Okay. Now, uh, instead of this, I will give one more example. Let it be this. Average mark of class 20 student is 40. Considered I have entered 120 marks in the data sheet. Earlier total value was 800. 20 into 40 is 800. Now this 120 marks, but I want to add now 40 marks. Correct. Earlier I have added 120 marks, but now I found that I want to add 40. Now tell me you, how much is present average of the score? Correct. 120 minus 40, how much it is? 80. Now we have to distribute this loss. Correct. That means we have to remove this 80 from the total average. Okay. That means we have to remove this from that 20 students. So 80 divided by 2, how much? 4. And 40 minus 4 is 36. So this was it. This is how we solve this type of problems. Now definitely you will be able to solve this problem. Average age of a couple married 20 years ago. See that. Collect the data as soon as you see that. 20 years ago was 25 years. Find the present average age of the family if they have a 3-year-old daughter. Now students, stop this now and solve it by yourself. Collect the data as much you can and see how much you can build this answer. Like from how much you can go. Like there are steps to collect the data, then build the formula, and then after that solve this solution. So there are 3 tips. Now I assume you have solved. So what it is have given? Average age of couple. Couple means men and women. We considered men as X and woman as Y. They have said that 20 years ago, X minus 20 and Y minus 20. Number of people 2, woman and man. Correct. Their average was how much? 25. This was the first given. Find the present average age of the family. If they have a 3-year-old daughter, that means one more person added to family. Now what is given? This was the first time, we have to add 3-year-old daughter also. 3-year-old daughter also. This is X plus Y, and if we remove this minus 20 and minus 20, it will become minus 40. And if we add that 3-year-old daughter, correct? Now number of people will be 3. Now we have to find what we have to find. if they have average, correct? So we do not know what is the average. To find this, we have something, this formula, correct? So this 2 goes to that side and becomes xy minus 40 equals to 25 by 2 is our 50, and x plus y, correct? X plus y, this 40, or this 40 goes to that side, minus become plus. Okay, so 50 plus 40 is 90. Now if we add this value inside this, okay, so how much we will get? 90, what do you say? Instead of doing this, all this, no, this is not this. Okay, earlier I had done mistake, because today it is not that minus 40. Okay, so 90 plus 3, that 3-year-old daughter. 93 divided by 3 is how much? It is 30, because 3 3s are 19, correct? Sorry, 3 30 90, and if you add one more 3, that means 31, so it becomes 31. So 31 is the answer. But student, we want to find without touching pen within 10 seconds. This is our challenge. See that I have earlier said to you that सबको आंसर मिलेगा, बट सबसे पहले किसको आंसर मिलता है ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। एप्टीट्यूड इसी के लिए रहता है कि सबसे जल्दी किसको क्लिक होता है। एक चीज अपन ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि 20 years ago okay guys, so in this problem it is said that 20 years ago the age was 25, average age was 25. Before that I will tell my something. 3 साल पहले मेरी एज 17 थी, 17। आज मेरी एज कितनी? 17 plus 3 20। ओके, सिमिलरली अगर यहाँ पे बताया हमें कि 20 years ago एज 25 थी, ओके, अभी कितना रहेगा? 25 plus 20 विच इज 45, और ये एवरेज किसका है? कपल का, मतलब नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट कितने? 2, 45 into 2 90, करेक्ट? मतलब करंट उनका करंट टोटल एज दोनों का मिला के मे बी हस्बैंड का रहेगा 50 और वाइफ का रहेगा 40, बट वॉट एवर इट मे बी, we are not concerned with that, assuming that both age is 45 and 45 and adding it 90. अभी उनको एक 3 साल की बच्ची डॉटर है, करेक्ट। नाउ उनकी फैमिली में 3 मेंबर्स है, सो 90 प्लस 3, 93 डिवाइड बाय 3 इज बिकम 31. इजी. This is how he solve. See the student, whenever it is given that find the present age, find the present score, find the present weight, and if you have given earlier age, just add that difference of year and multiply it by number of constituent elements. मतलब यहाँ पे कितना कपल था ना, करेक्ट। मेरे पास देखो यहाँ पे कपल का एज दिया था, दैट्स वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. अगर अगले प्रॉब्लम में मुझे बताया जाएगा कि एक स्कोर कार्ड रहेगा, करेक्ट। सो नॉट स्कोर कार्ड, वी विल अगेन से दैट एज का ही करेंगे कि 10 स्टूडेंट का एवरेज कितना था, 10 years बिफोर हाउ मच, बिफोर 20 years. That means today will be 30 years, 10 plus 20. This is how we find the present age. See that first thing first you have to do, find the total value. Total value means not that average, how much रहता कितना है, like in this our case it was 90, 45 and 45 90, and then 3-year-old daughter, it is 93, correct. Now we will see next problem. Now definitely you will be able to solve this problem. The same last time problem we have solved, just here and there it is like some changes are there. Average age of a husband and wife was 23 years at the time of their marriage. After 5 years, मतलब 5 years की पहले की बात चल रही है, correct. 5 years they have 1-year-old son. Find the present age of the family. सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है, 5 सेकंड में आप देख सकते हैं. 5 साल पहले उनकी शादी हुई, their marriage, correct. It was their average was 23. 23 plus 5 is now 28. For how many people? It was for husband and wife. So 28 multiply by 2, correct, it is 56. Okay, and upon that they have 1-year-old son. That means 56 plus 1 is 57 and divided by 3. Why 3? Husband, wife and son. To find the average we have to divide it by number of people, then only we get the equal amount, equal distribution amount, that is average, correct. So it is nothing but 57 divided by 3 is 90. I will solve you for this. 23 plus 5 for husband, today's age, 23 plus 5 for woman, and 1-year-old son, which becomes our 28 plus 28 plus 1 is 57. 57 divided by 3 is our 90. Simple, correct. We'll move to the next problem. Average age of husband, wife and son. Now this time 3, this time 3 has given. 3 years ago was 27 years. Students, as soon as you see this time ago, मतलब इतने साल पहले ये हुआ था, इतना ये था, just consider about 2 days. Okay, so 3 years ago was 27 years. I will note down. Okay, husband plus wife plus son, उनका एवरेज था 27 3 years पहले. Now 30 रहेगा. So this is our equation 1. Question 1. And that of 5, and now it is their fifth, and that of wife and son 5 years ago was 20. Correct? 20 years, and find the present age of the husband. Now this is the twist. Correct? They have told that we want to get to know what is the present age of the husband. We will give you wife and sons, that means मम्मी और बच्चे का एज देगा। अपन यहाँ पे दिया है कि 5 साल पहले उनका 20 था। करेक्ट? मतलब अभी कितना रहेगा? स्टूडेंट अभी मेरे को बताओ, एज वी हैव अर्लियर सीन दैट प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट मुझे बताओ कि 30 प्लस 40 प्लस x और उनका एवरेज है 180। ओके, सॉरी, नॉट 180, हाँ, उनका टोटल वैल्यू है 180। ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x। मैंने 3 वैल्यू दिए, उसमें से एक वैल्यू मिसिंग है, बट टोटल वैल्यू भी मैंने दी है, विच इज 180। सिंपल, this 30 plus 40 goes to this side, 180 minus 70, which is 110. Correct? सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी सेम ऐसे किया है, अपने को 2 लोगों का एवरेज का वैल्यू दिया है, बट एक का मतलब हस्बैंड का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, एंड वी हैव दिस व्हाट वी से 30। सिंपल है, वाइफ प्लस सन, 5 साल पहले 20 था, मतलब अभी 25 रहेगा। जैसे मैंने बोला था कि मेरा 3 साल पहले 17 था, अभी मेरा कितना है 20। ओके, 25। नाउ ये दोनों का एवरेज है गाइस, इट इज एवरेज 25, मतलब दोनों का मिला के कितना एज रहेगा? 25 into 2, how much? 50. We got the both age, and now we also have this their total average, and the total average value will be 30 into 3, that means 90. ओके, हस्बैंड वाइफ सन इनका वैल्यू दिया है, उनमें से मेरे पास 2 लोगों का वैल्यू भी है। करेक्ट? अभी आपको पता है आंसर क्या है। मेरे पास टोटल वैल्यू है और उनमें से 2 लोगों का वैल्यू भी है, सिर्फ एक का वैल्यू बाकी है। सिंपल, टोटल वैल्यू से वो दोनों वैल्यू का सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद अपने को हस्बैंड का वैल्यू मिलेगा। सो समथिंग इज दैट हस्बैंड एज विल बी टोटल एज माइनस वाइफ प्लस सन्स एज, which becomes 90 minus 50 is 40. So this is the present age of the husband. Correct? Now we will see next problem. Okay, 2 years ago, average age of family of 8 members was 8 years. 2 years ago 80 years था, अभी कितना रहेगा? 20. So 20 years average है, 2 years average, सॉरी 8 members का, अभी 8 members average is now 20, 2 साल पहले 18 था, अभी 20। आगे बढ़ते, अ बेबी बीन बॉर्न, ओ बच्चा, अ बेबी बीन बॉर्न, एवरेज रिमेन द सेम टुडे। ये क्वेश्चन को ऑथर बोल रहे हैं कि एक मेंबर ऐड हुआ है, करेक्ट, और एवरेज रिमेन्स द सेम टुडे, मतलब पहले 2 साल पहले 18 था, अभी भी 18 है क्योंकि बेबी बॉर्न हुआ है, करेक्ट। दैट मीन्स 9 members average is now 18। अर्लियर बिफोर बेबी बॉर्न, मतलब अगर वो बेबी बॉर्न नहीं होता, ओके, तो टोटल एवरेज, सॉरी टोटल एज कितना रहता है वो, सॉरी व्हाट यू से, टोटल एज कितना रहता 8 मेंबर्स का, 20 into 8, 160, correct। and now it is said that बच्चा हो गया है, करेक्ट, और एवरेज भी सेम है, 80 ईयर्स ही है, करेक्ट। so that means now अभी total is total what we say, total age value of all the members, for that do that, for to do that we have to multiply the number of people with the average age, so 9 into 80 is our 162, correct। now find the present age of the baby, simple, before baby it was 160, after baby it is 162, so 162 minus 160 is 2, but this was very lengthy process, correct। we have to do the all these things. Now what if they have said that yeah, it was great, this is how we solve this problem, 162 minus 160, it is 2, simple। now I will give one more problem, just stopping the screen, attitude, the last problem hour of the day, which is going to be very easy. It can be solved by all of you. Share the screen, read the question, stop the video, collect the data, build the formula, and answer will be in front of you. Now I assume you have solved by yourself. If you haven't, don't worry, I am here for you. So 3 years ago, average age of family of 5 members was 70 years. 3 साल पहले एवरेज कितना था, 17, अभी कितना है, 20। so average of 5 members is 20 at present। आगे क्या दिया उन्होंने, a baby been born, average remains the same today, just like the last problem, a baby been born, how many number of people are now, 5 plus 1 6, average remains the same, that means 70, okay, average remains the same, which is this 70. Okay, but number of people increased, so it is simple. 6 members average age is how much? 70. Now I have given all the data. अभी आपको तो आना ही चाहिए सॉल्व करने को. बोला है कि बेबी का एज कितना है, बेबी बॉर्न होने के पहले कितना है फाइट करूं. मैं सॉल्व नहीं करने वाला, सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ. और बेबी बॉर्न होने के बाद कितना है, नंबर ऑफ पीपल दे है, उनका टोटल एवरेज दे है. अभी सिर्फ अपने को एडिशन ऑफ दैट वैल्यू, मतलब जो रहते हैं ना टोटल वैल्यू, वो फाइंड करने का है. 5 into 20, that means before baby it was 120. Okay, and after baby it is 7 into 6, which is 102, and 102 minus 100 is 2. So baby boy or baby girl, baby doll में सोने दी, so उसका एज है 2 साल. 102 minus 100. So this was our last problem. So guys, hope you have understood, and yeah, bye. If you have understood all the problems, please like karo guys, and share with your friends and subscribe. Do only 3 things. Okay, so stop.